Welcome, here I've got CUBOT X19 S and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera shooter sound at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard picture mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's move to the left corner button. To get access to this panel, now we have to tap to the center so we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we can find the shooter sound option. So by using the button from the right, we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. Now let me keep it turned off. When we move back to the camera and when I take another picture, we can't hear the sound. Of course, when we tap to the left corner button once again, to this one at the center and to the shooter sound, we can hear it. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.